Okay, we'll give it another attempt to start my 1982 Datsun 720 diesel. You can see it has the SD22 engine, so it's a 2.2 liter displacement. And then what I have here is basically a battery minder hooked up to the battery itself. I have the block heater going. So I've had that on probably for a couple hours now, so this all feels warm. Top doesn't really feel warm, but doesn't exactly feel cold either. It's probably about 40-45 degrees now. We had more of a blizzard yesterday, so that it was down to about 30-32 and I didn't quite get started. But I think that the issue was that the battery was not charged up enough. So what I'll do is, I've just been putting this on trickle charge. I'll move it over to starting. There we go. Oop, there we go. To starting power. Then we'll give everything a shot and see how it goes. I usually cycle the glow plugs a couple times. Just see. The truck has 125,000 miles on it. And I've heard that these SD22 engines can go, you know, double or even 3-4 times that. So what I'll do is I'll start out with the key and I'll go to the on position. So that starts kicking the glow plugs on. Get the little beeping. Just since it's cold, I'll cycle it back off. Put it on again. And then once ready, I'll turn it to the right to try and start. Give it a little gas, and then we'll just see if we can get it going. Okay. I have it in neutral. I have the parking brake on, so parking brake on. So we'll see what we can do. Oh, so close. Oh, there we go. It's a little loud. There, it's running. So what I can do is I can actually pull the choke out just a little bit. Not a ton, but just maybe a little bit. Then I'll lock it to the side. Oop. That didn't quite work. Maybe I need to pull it out just a little bit more.